In this video, I'll show you how to play Sharpshooter on your PC. This is a quick and easy tutorial to follow. Sharpshooter is an exciting strategy game developed by Chisel Games Japan. Even though it's an Android game, you can play it on PC or Mac using BlueStacks, which is the world's #1 Android emulator. Click the blue button to download the BlueStacks installer. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. After installation, click Launch to open BlueStacks. You'll be taken to the Sharpshooter installation page. Here, click Install and the game will start downloading on your PC. You may need to log in with your Google account to sync your progress between devices. While it's downloading, let me quickly explain why I love using BlueStacks. You can play with keyboard and mouse, making gameplay much smoother than touch controls. Some games even support gamepads. BlueStacks also has macro features to automate repetitive tasks, eco mode to optimize performance, and real-time translation for games in other languages. Plus, playing on PC gives you higher frame rates and full HD graphics for the best experience. Once Sharpshooter is installed, launch it from BlueStacks. You can now control the game using your mouse and keyboard, making everything smooth and responsive. The gameplay is sharp, lag-free, and runs beautifully on PC. And that's it. You're now ready to play Sharpshooter on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials.